How to make a classic deli-style chicken tikka masala. Rich and creamy, with just the perfect amount of spices and succulent pieces of grilled chicken, this recipe is foolproof. Have it with crisp tandoori or thin rumali rotis for a taste of food heaven. Method: roughly chop the tomatoes. Put them into a large mixer jar and grind to a puree. Put the puree into a non-stick pan. Rinse the jar with a little water and add to the pan, mix and let it cook. Add cinnamon, cloves, green cardamoms, salt and 1½ teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder and mix well. Cover and cook till the mixture thickens slightly and all the flavors blend well. Put a little water in the lower container of the gas oven tandoor and keep it on heat. Make a few incisions on either side of the chicken pieces and put them into a large bowl. Add lemon juice, salt and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and mix well and keep the bowl in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Roughly chop ginger, garlic and 1 green chili and add to the pan. Cover and cook. To make the second marinade, put yogurt into another large bowl. Add salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons freshly ground ginger garlic paste and freshly ground garam masala powder and mix well. Add the marinated chicken pieces to this bowl and mix well. Add mustard oil and mix well. Let it marinate in the refrigerator, preferably for at least 4 hours. Strain the tomato mixture into a third large bowl. Lightly grease the upper container of the gas oven tandoor. Keep the marinated chicken pieces on it, cover and cook. Heat butter and 1 tablespoon oil in another non-stick pan. Add half a tablespoon ginger garlic paste and sauté till fragrant. Add the strained tomato mixture, ready-made tomato puree, dried fenugreek leaves powder and honey and mix well and cook. When the chicken is almost done, baste the pieces with a little oil, cover and cook till the chicken is completely done. Finely chop coriander leaves and 1 green chili and add to the tomato gravy. Cut the chicken into smaller pieces and add to the gravy. Add cream and mix well. Sprinkle a little garam masala powder and mix well. Transfer into a serving bowl and serve hot with naan or tandoori roti. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.